Hi everyone, so I've been gone a while and I'm filming at the golden hour, which is right now, sunset at 5 p.m. And I'm going to talk about a different part of Ethereum that I didn't get to in the Ethereum video. And I've decided to do videos that kind of examine more aspects of a particular cryptocurrency. So in the Ethereum history, there was something called the DAO, D-A-O, and I'm going to explain what that was. So as you hopefully know by now, the main feature of cryptocurrencies, digital currencies, is that they're decentralized and they don't belong to a single government body or entity, and they're spread out between all the computers, nodes, networks, all those aspects of the ecosystem that control them. So there isn't any centralized body controlling them. So the main point of virtual currencies that the developers hopefully want to achieve is that they can achieve a level of security that normal currencies can't really get that security because they're not decentralized, and they won't be decentralized because they're organized and they exist because of a government body. So one of the main features that cryptocurrency developers want to achieve is to have another layer of security that traditional currency can't have. So the DAO was supposed to be the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, and the creators of it were inspired by the whole decentralization aspect and wanted to set up a decentralized organization, but that did lead to some problems. So the DAO, as I said, was an organization that was designed to be automated and decentralized, and it was meant to act as a venture capital fund, and a traditional VC fund would have like a board of directors and a legal system, and this was supposed to act like a more decentralized version running on open source code rather than relying on the board of directors and management. So in order to achieve the glory of full decentralization, the DAO wasn't attached to any actual existing state, but it used the Ethereum network, and that's where Ethereum becomes involved with this.